Samidoh's wife Edday Nderitu nĩacokanĩirie Mîario na arũmĩrĩri ake nenda-inĩ thutha wa kũgeria kũmũingĩrĩra nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo atĩ she still carried on with life as Samidoh's wife. She still remained as Samidoh's wife even after he cheated on her. This all started when she shared a meme joking about how people enter into wrong relationships na magaikara ho nginya relationship iyo rĩu igatherema. Eti vile uliingia kwenye wrong relationship na ukadumu. And so some of her fans took this meme and related it to her personal life and marriage to Samidoh, na marakorwo makĩmũria agire gũtiga Samidoh nĩkĩ, after he cheated on her. But Edday was not having any of it. Ndanakira, and instead she replied to each and every one of them akĩmera gũtirĩ hĩndĩ angĩrũgamia maica make atĩ tondũ she was cheated on. Aramacokeirie all the one by one akiuga, sasa wewe shida yako ni gani? So I shouldn't live my life cause my husband cheated. And another one she wrote, hiyo ujinga sifanyangi, plus who are you in my life? And another one she wrote, so I should not live my life cause he's a cheater ama. And this guy here replied to Edday saying, ogopa sisi wanaume, unaweza dhani mwenzako ndio nyani, kumbe ni wewe. And Edday replied to him saying, tunawajua sana. Edday arauga mũtũrĩre no nginya ũthiĩ na mbere, life must go on. Ndangĩtũra oho atĩ tondũ her man cheated on her. No, she has to carry on with her life. Oho nĩ ararekereirie gabica ga kana kao, their last born daughter, agĩkarathimithia saying, my beautiful princess, may you grow in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and man. Samidoh nake ndanatigwo na thutha. He took to his Instagram page to bless his daughter saying, maitũ no nginya ngũciare na ngũtue na itagũciarĩte ngũciare rĩngĩ, with the song Kairĩtu Gakwa playing in the background.